The most important job interview questions for a business analyst. Let you know what employees are looking for when they ask these questions, show you an example answer, and show you how to create the best possible answer for your specific circumstances. Not a generic answer, the best answer for you. 73% of job seekers say that looking for a job is one of the most stressful events in life. 39% of candidates leave a bad impression due to their overall confidence level. So if your livelihood literally depends on performing well in a job interview, and the key to a good job interview is confidence, how do you increase confidence? You walk into the interview knowing that you have a good answer for all of the most common interview questions. This is a list of the 50 most common interview questions. I'm obviously using One Click Worker. It's free. There's a link in the description so you can follow along if you like. You don't have to learn how to use anything. Just start by saying hi. It'll ask you to enter your resume and the job description for the job you're applying for. Then just select a question you want to answer. You can adjust it, add specific instructions, or leave it as it is. Then click Submit. The AI will generate a custom answer based on your resume and the specific job you're applying for. And for 90% of you, this will be better than the answer you can come up with. I've picked out the top 10 interview questions based on relevance, frequency, and significance. Let's answer them now with the help of my digital twin.
Question 1. Can you describe what a business analyst does? Employers look for understanding of the role, ability to articulate key responsibilities, and how they align with business goals. Example answer. A business analyst acts as a bridge between IT and the business stakeholders, ensuring that business requirements are effectively translated into solutions. My role involves gathering requirements, analyzing data, and proposing solutions that align with strategic goals. I facilitate communication between stakeholders to ensure that the business needs are met efficiently. Question 2. How do you define good business analysis? Employers look for insight into your understanding of effective analysis practices and how they contribute to business success. Example answer. Good business analysis involves deeply understanding the business processes, identifying areas for improvement, and providing data-driven insights. It requires clear communication, critical thinking, and the ability to foresee potential challenges and opportunities. Ultimately, it's about adding value by enhancing efficiency and driving business growth. Question 3. What tools and software are you proficient in as a business analyst? Employers look for familiarity with specific tools that are relevant to the role and how effectively you can use them. Example answer. I am proficient in SQL for database management, Excel for data analysis, and Visio for creating process diagrams. Additionally, I have experience with SAP and Salesforce for enterprise resource planning and customer relationship management. These tools help me provide accurate and actionable insights. Question 4. Can you walk me through a typical project you would work on as a business analyst? Employers look for understanding of project workflow, your role within it, and your ability to manage projects effectively. Example answer. Typically, my projects begin with a stakeholder meeting to gather initial requirements. I then proceed to data collection and analysis, using tools like SQL and Excel to interpret data trends. The final phase involves presenting findings to stakeholders and recommending solutions based on the analysis. Question 5. How do you handle changes to requirements during a project? Employers look for adaptability, communication skills, and how you manage changes without affecting project outcomes. Example answer. I handle requirement changes by maintaining flexibility in project plans and continuously communicating with stakeholders. I reassess the project scope and resources and adjust timelines and deliverables accordingly. This ensures that the project remains aligned with business goals despite changes. Question 6. What methodologies are you familiar with in business analysis? Employers look for knowledge of various methodologies and how they can be applied to improve business processes. Example answer. I am familiar with Agile, Waterfall, and Lean methodologies. Agile is my preferred method due to its flexibility and focus on continuous improvement. I apply these methodologies to streamline processes, reduce waste, and enhance productivity. Question 7. How do you prioritize your tasks and manage your time effectively? Employers look for time management skills and your ability to prioritize tasks based on importance and urgency. Example answer. I prioritize tasks based on their impact on the project and urgency. I use tools like Trello for task management and set clear milestones. This helps me stay organized and ensures that critical tasks are completed on time. Question 8. Can you explain a time when you identified a problem and proposed a solution? Employers look for problem-solving skills and your ability to take initiative in resolving issues. Example answer. In a previous project, I noticed recurring discrepancies in inventory data. I analyzed the data, identified the root cause, and proposed an automated system to track inventory more accurately. This solution reduced errors by 30% and improved operational efficiency. Question 9. What is your experience with data modeling and data analytics? Employers look for technical skills in handling data and your ability to derive meaningful insights from complex data sets. Example answer. I have extensive experience in data modeling and analytics using SQL and Python for data manipulation and analysis. I create models that predict customer behavior and inform business decisions. My analytical skills help uncover trends that drive strategic planning. Question 10. How do you ensure that your analysis aligns with business objectives? Employers look for strategic thinking and your ability to align your work with the overall business strategy. Example answer. I ensure alignment by regularly communicating with key stakeholders to understand their goals and expectations. I use these insights to focus my analysis on areas that directly impact business objectives. This approach ensures that my work contributes to achieving strategic goals.
You can also do role-play interviews with a voice conversation with AI. I've created a demo and a separate video on this channel. The link's in the description. If you're still applying for jobs, you can also generate custom cover letters in less than a minute, so you can literally create 30 cover letters in 30 minutes. And these letters will be better than the letters that 90% of you can create, even after spending an hour on each one. You can also get career development advice based on your specific circumstances. By the time you watch this video, there'll be even more features. If you're an employer or a recruiter, we also provide a lot of tools and content for you on One Click Worker. They'll help you increase your productivity and achieve better results. You can start using it free. Given that your entire livelihood depends on getting this right, it's a pretty small price to pay. This is the most advanced and easiest to use interview preparation tool on the planet. The link's in the description. As the saying goes, you will not be replaced by AI. You will be replaced by someone that uses AI.